Especially women spends the maximum time in the kitchen.
Yes, I don't really.
You don't. Tell me something about you.
So I'm Prachi. I am a doctor by profession. I always wanted a big size kitchen because we are a family of 6 with lot of guests in and out. Everything should be hidden inside the cabin. Shambhala has done an excellent job. It has given me a beautiful European open kitchen with an island and lots of storage space. My husband was very particular about the hinges, the hardware part, and Shambhala has really stood the test. The aesthetic is awesome. All the guests we have had till now are amazed with the kitchen. We are really in love with it.